Lons 2, Asna 1. All about the Asna. Yeah, it is all about the Asna. Yeah, Asna tweeting out, "How dare you? How dare you? Heads up onto the next like it's nothing, like it's nothing." Bukayo Saka, who knew? Who knew? Should have been subbed on 55 minutes at the weekend. Now it looks like a bad injury. Yeah, I've got people texting me saying, "Yo, Saka's dusted," and I'm like, "Source, trust me, bro." Right? Cool, trust me, bro. Whatever. But these are people that I respect. Weren't great. Some stinky, dirty, horrible performances. Kai Havertz got a pity sympathy penalty. Oh, but his confidence to grow. My baller, our baller, Trossard, stunk. Worst player on the pitch tonight. Yeah. But maybe that's because he ain't played games since March. Yeah, maybe, just maybe. Yeah, it is what it is. Gabby Jesus, you got to do more, bro. Eddie did nothing when he came on. Zinchenko getting cooked. 1 minute he's at left back, then Mikel puts him in midfield. Then he puts him back at left back, he gets cooked. Then he hooks him after the second goal. No subs until the second goal other than the Saka one. Vieira did nothing when he came on. Smith Rowe, you threw him to the Lions again. Yeah, Matty, this manager, bro, and we've got Sevilla away next. If we lose that game and PSV lose to Lons, we are looking at Europa League sets.
Lee, I want people to let this soak in. What I'm about to say. We knocked Highbury down for that. This is what we knocked Highbury down for. To compete with Lons. 2-1. I don't hear anything else from an Arsenal fan telling me that that's a farmers league.
7th best league in Europe, apparently.
Yeah. It looked like the number 1 league tonight, playing us.
Pace and power, bro. PMP. Yeah. Get some strong, physical, quick, muscular, technical, gifted African brothers in there. They bully you.
Yep. Lee, I don't hear anything else about Florian Balogun scoring 21 goals in a farmers league.
Oh, but he missed 2 penalties, Matty. Yeah, he also scored at the weekend to take his team top of the league. Didn't see anyone mentioning that, in it.
No, didn't hear one word about it. This manager has cost us the season today. This season is washed. I know it's early. I know people are going to come in the chat.
Oh, you're reactionary. No, we see the bigger picture.
We sat here, Lee, while I was waiting to do my fan cam. I went back. We have about 7 videos on catalog here on this channel where you can see where we said the manager needs to rest this young man. And what did you see tonight, ladies and gentlemen? You saw the fruition of what we have been saying for a calendar year.
Yep.
This man has been shot out since the World Cup last year. And here we are. His season is probably done. I hope that the prognosis is a little different. But the way I saw him sit on that bench in street clothes tells me this is pretty much about it for this season. And if that's true, and if that's truly Gunner, I hold one man responsible. Mikel Arteta. You had a transfer window to go out and buy quality players. You had a chance to go out and get players that can impact games. Instead, you chose to spend 65 million euros on Kai Havertz.
Yep.
I am sick of this manager, Lee. I am sick of him. I have had it with this guy. His man management is the worst I've ever seen. And I used to always think Brendan Rodgers had some crazy man management. Rafa Benitez had some wild man management back in the day.
Yeah.
This dude here, his man management is out of this world. He made no substitutions until almost the end of the game. We sat, for those who don't believe me, go back and watch our fan count. We sat there at the beginning of the half, maybe about 5 minutes in. Yeah, it's time to go ahead and take Trossard off. It ain't that today. Let's go ahead and bring in,
get Reece on.
Yeah, Reece on.
Get a bit of injection, somebody that can cross the ball. Trossard, listen, we both rate Trossard very highly. Yeah, but that guy was horrible.
He stunk it up tonight. He stunk it up.
But at the same time, when he's on the side with Zinchenko and Havertz, and there was an instance in that game, I think it was in the first half.
Yeah, early in the first half.
He was the only guy there, and he had 5 players around him from the opposition team.
Nobody made a run.
Nobody moved. Nobody helped him. Nobody overlapped. So listen, I'm not making excuses for him. He was horrible.
Yeah.
And we call it as it is. Yeah, we rate him highly. I think he's our best player.
Yeah.
Technically gifted wise. But he stunk tonight. We can see that after 20 minutes. This manager kept him on for how long?
68 minutes. Something along that line.
He throws Smith Rowe to the Lions.
Lee.
2-1 down, throws him straight on.
The manager should not. This is what should have happened. This is how it should have played out. Soccer should have not started tonight based off of Saturday. Play Reece Nielsen over there. It's not going to hurt anything. Just play Reece Nielsen over there. Manage better. Trossard should not have started tonight. Well, Matt, why do you say that? Y'all are always advocating for him to start. He had not had a run of games. He's out of form. He's been on the bench for 2 to 3 weeks. He's not ready. So what do you do? What do you propose? Emma Smith Rowe, Reece Nielsen, somebody else that's in form. Vieira, in form. Vieira's did halfway decent up until tonight. I mean, that's what you do. Now, I don't make the big bucks. I don't work at London Colney. Arteta does. And if I can see that, then surely he knows that. But the problem with this manager is, one, he cannot manage these players. I've been saying that since last season, and I've been saying it since the season before that. The man cannot man management.
No, he can't. And I know why he went for a young squad, bro, because he can control.
Control. It's a control mechanism, Lee, and I'm glad you said that. I've told people this off camera, and I'll say it on camera. The manager, for anybody that's out there looking for a world-class player to come to Arsenal, hey, you, come here. Ain't happening. Not up under this manager, because he does not want a player who has been somewhere, that knows anything, that has experience coaching on the highest level, to be able to come in and say, no, that's not working. Well, how do you know that? Just look at the laundry list of players that are good, are doing fine elsewhere, that was here at this club. Or look at players who have achieved, that was at this, that have gone on to achieve, that was at this club. And you tell me what the difference is. It's only one variable, and that's Mikel Arteta.
Yeah.
This year, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see it. I talked to Brother Warren after the game. We talked for about 20 minutes there. And Warren texted me probably in August. This is all he said, Matt, get ready. This is going to be the fallout. This is it. I said, Warren, let's just see how it plays out. Let's just see how it plays out. Well, Warren, my friend, you are 100% correct. This is the beginning of the end of this manager. Starts tonight.
Bro, he looks stressed tonight. He's giving it all of this.
Yeah, he's sitting on the bench quiet.
Yeah, he's then talking to the fourth official. Yeah, he's like, looking around. That guy knows the end is nigh. They will not. I don't think they'll sack him.
Nah.
But if he don't get out the group, and we get pammed by City at the weekend, and then he don't get out the group, then we lose a couple more games, Newcastle away, etc., Chelsea away. Oh, I think, Chelsea is away. Yeah, and we lose a couple of games. All of a sudden, we're now 12 points off the top. We're in the Europa League. There's a case for them to sit there, as much as they idolize him and they put the prop out for him, to say, 4 calendar years, 650 M's. You've never signed a right winger. You've never signed a proper striker. Jesus, I love you, but you ain't a proper striker, bro.
Not a proper
second striker, right? Is what it is. You got to go, bro. But the only way he gets sacked is if the fans actually speak the truth. Vote with their feet.
You know when they're going to vote with their feet, Lee? You know when they're going to vote with their feet? and Warren said this too. and it tickled me because he said, Matt, when the fans look up and we're in probably the middle of November and we're sitting in 11th place, that's when people wake up, and that's what's going to happen.
Facts.
People think
Bro,
it's a game.
you can't
People
fake
think
it for too long, bro.
Yeah.
This lot have been faking it and finessing it. Like the prop tonight with the Havertz picture, heads up onto the next, bro.
That was
Subconscious.
that was disgustingly. And they sat there they did the same thing this weekend. Oh, he's our man of the match.
Yep.
And he blew it up. Listen, what did he do tonight when it counted?
Oh, he's got confidence, Matty, though. He's got confidence. Oh, he had a shot and he nearly scored.
What did Nketiah do again tonight when he came on? Did he change the pace of the game? Listen, Listen, people. We won the game this past weekend. That's all well and good. But has anybody stepped back to look at this thing from the bigger picture? The bigger picture is, let me show it to you. Last season, go look at the last several games there. Get a win here, loss, draw, win there. Win there, loss, draw, win. Win here and there. Draw. Struggling at the last game of the season. Party right back. Has anybody noticed anything? What are you saying, Matt? It's the same thing that happened at the end of last season.
Yep. Everyone's waffling, bruv. They're waffling. They can't waffle for too long. Yeah. Eventually, you get found out. And this manager, he is feeling the pressure. Yeah. And good. Because this is the third biggest club in England. Right?
This is his doing, by the way, Lee. This is all he's doing.
It is his doing. And he is conned. And the PR and marketing around this guy, because I know he dictates everything at this football club. I know that factually. Yeah. Same as Arsene Wenger did. This guy runs. If he says no, it ain't happening, it ain't happening. Right? Same as Wenger. I know this factually. Right? I'm not going to say how or why, but I know that factually. Yeah. If he says no, it ain't happening. If he says yes, it's happening. This guy is feeling the pressure, and it would not surprise me if he jacks. But listen, make sure you sub to Matty's channel. Yeah, the Southern Gooner, always mad love. We're going to do player ratings. Yeah, I'm going to send you the link and Kenny the link for player ratings. Check out Kenny's fan cam. Check out mine. We're out of here. Get him out.
RIP Chig, brother.
Chiggy Chig. Come on. Salut. In Romanian, Noroc. We're out.